places in my territory.
We picked them up at bingos. I don't know who put in the job, but they paid us a lot of money to get it done.
Wait. What the fuck are you talking about? You don't even know who they are? Did he even tell you while we're kidnapping people?
I don't know, and I didn't ask. He offered it, the job, and I took it. But I don't know the guy.
Are they coming back for them, or what the fuck are we supposed to do with them?
I don't know, but I'll find out.
Wait. I want to see him first.
No!
She shines like a diamond. Like some angel falling from heaven. She gives me the shivers. Take her away to the extra storage room. I've got shit to do.